Log into your seller dashboard. You will find a menu bar on the left. Then click on Add Products. Select the suitable attribute set. Select the product type, simple or configurable. Select simple if you have a similar product. Select configurable if you have products in different colors. Once selected, click on Continue. You will be redirected to the product details page. Now select the product category and subcategory. Selecting the appropriate category and subcategory is mandatory. Enter product name. The product name must be within 80 characters only. Mention the details of the product in description. Now enter short description of the product. Enter SKU number of the product. Now enter the original price of the product. If you want to sell your product at a discounted price, then enter this as special price. Enter the starting date of the special price at special price from. Enter the end date of the special price at special price to. If you selected simple product type, then enter your stock quantity. Click on the catalog and search option under visibility. Select tax class of product. The tax rate of your product will be automatically calculated as per the government tax policies. Enter the weight, height, width and length of the product. If you wish to enter other details like URL key, meta title and description, and meta keywords. Otherwise simply skip. Enter the quantity allowed to purchase at once by the customer. Upload the product images in JPG format only. If simple, then your listed product goes under review. If configurable, click on Create Configurable. Select the product attributes. If you have different colors or sizes, click on Next. Select the sizes of your product. Click on Next. Click on the first option if you wish to add the same price to all the products in different sizes and colors. Click on the second option if you wish to add different prices to all the products of sizes and color. Here add the MRP price only. If click on the first option if you have the same size and color product. If click on the second option if you wish to add different prices to all the products of sizes and color, here add the MRP price only. Add the available quantity of the product. Click on Next. Generated product listing details. Cross-check all the details you have filled in about the product. Once reviewed, click on Save. Click on Save. Your product listing is successful. Your product is under review now and you will be updated on the status via email and SMS within 48 hours of listing the product.